Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about coronavirus MCQs. Let's start. FDA approved drug for treatment of COVID-19 is there is no drug is FDA approved till now. These three we can use, but remdesivir, hydroxychloroquine, and ivermectin we can use, but it is not FDA approved for COVID-19. Okay. Major postulated mechanism of hydroxychloroquine in prophylaxis of novel coronavirus disease is inhibition of endosomal acidification. This is a right. Inhibition of RNA dependent RNA polymerase is remdesivir, ribavirin. Important inhibitor is ivermectin. Improve immune response released by interleukin 6 is okay. So answer is inhibition of endosomal acidification. Hydroxychloroquine is being used for prophylaxis of COVID-19 disease in healthcare providers in India. Which of the following persons should not receive this drug? When visual field changes occur due to glaucoma, it's true, we are not going to use. ECG QT prolongation, yes, we are not going to use. Allergy to cinchona derivatives. So all of the above is the answer for hydroxychloroquine not used. Okay. Combination of hydroxychloroquine should be avoided or used carefully with the following drugs. Azithromycin causes QT prolongation, amiodarone causes QT prolongation, and hydrochloroquine aggravates QT prolongation. Glipizide causes hypoglycemia, and hydroxychloroquine versus the hypoglycemia. So these are contraindicated, but methotrexate does not cause any side effect with hydroxychloroquine. So this is answer here. They are asking except. Okay, that's why. All of the following are RNA dependent RNA polymerase inhibitors being tested for treatment or prophylaxis of COVID-19 except remdesivir, yes, favipiravir, and ribavirin, yes, but entry inhibitor is arbidol, or we can say okay, umivarin. False statement about remdesivir is, so think guys, it is a adenosine analog and inhibit RNA dependent RNA polymerase of some viruses. Yes, it is a prodrug. Yes, it is given by intravenous route. Yes, but this is not FDA approved drug for coronavirus, or we can say COVID-19. This is not. Okay, and fifth question, arbidol, another name is umifenovir. Okay, so this is answer fifth we discussed. Drug that can prevent the cytokine release syndrome seen in COVID-19 is, that is tocilizumab. That is tocilizumab, drug which prevent the cytokine release. Okay, or we can say another word, it's interleukin 6 antagonist. Okay. Remdesivir, we know this is RNA dependent RNA polymerase inhibitor. Hydroxychloroquine, its entry inhibitor. Ivermectin is important inhibitor, whereas tocilizumab is an immunomodulator or interleukin 6 antagonist. Okay. True statement about ivermectin are all except it causes paralysis of some helminths. Yes. It is a drug of choice for scabies. No. Permethrin is a drug of choice for scabies. It can cause CNS adverse effect. Yes, like ataxia, drowsiness. It inhibits impotence. Yes. Okay. Now, the drug is approved in Japan for pancreatitis. It is being tested for treatment of novel coronavirus 2019. The proposed mechanism of this drug is inhibition of TMPRSS2. Which drug is being talked about? So ivermectin we know important inhibitor, and remdesivir it's RNA dependent RNA inhibitor. Ivermectin we already discussed. Hydroxychloroquine is entry inhibitor. Comostate is an temprase 2 inhibitor. This is an temprase 2 inhibitors, or we can say is also an entry inhibitor, but comostate and nafamostate are inhibit temprase 2, approved in Japan for pancreatitis and given IV. Okay, now all of the following drugs acts by inhibiting the entry of coronavirus in the cell except in cell entry inhibitor is hydroxychloroquine, camostate, arbidol, but remdesivir is a RNA inhibitors, dependent RNA polymerase inhibitor. So guys, this is the answer. I hope till here it's very much clear for you. If you have any queries, any question, you can ask me. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe it, and if you like this video, put like on it, and I will make theory video about all these MCQs tomorrow morning. Thank you, good day, goodbye. That's all for today. Goodbye.